Dopamine and motivation. The neurotransmitter fueling the drive. 1. Introduction. Neurotransmitter of motivation. Dopamine, often dubbed the feel-good neurotransmitter, plays a central role in the brain's reward system and is closely linked to motivation. This article explores the intricate connection between dopamine and the drive that propels individuals toward their goals. 2. The basics of dopamine. Neurotransmitter significance. Dopamine is a neurotransmitter, a chemical messenger that transmits signals in the brain and other areas of the nervous system. It plays a crucial role in various functions, including mood regulation, attention, and most notably, the brain's reward system. Reward pathway. The brain's reward pathway, involving areas like the nucleus accumbens and the ventral tegmental area, is where dopamine's influence on motivation is prominently observed. 3. Dopamine and reward. Pleasure and reward. Dopamine is often associated with pleasure and reward. When the brain anticipates or experiences something rewarding, dopamine is released, creating a positive reinforcement loop. Role in reinforcement learning. Dopamine is integral to reinforcement learning, a process in which the brain learns to associate actions with rewards. This mechanism strengthens behaviors that lead to positive outcomes, contributing to motivated behavior. 4. Motivation and goal pursuit. Goal-directed behavior. Dopamine is implicated in goal-directed behavior. When an individual sets a goal or encounters a rewarding stimulus, the brain releases dopamine, creating a sense of pleasure and reinforcing the motivation to pursue that goal. Incentive salience. Dopamine enhances the perceived importance of a rewarding stimulus, making it more enticing and motivating. This incentive salience encourages individuals to engage in activities that lead to positive outcomes. 5. Dopamine and external rewards. Extrinsic motivation. Dopamine is particularly involved in extrinsic motivation, where individuals are driven by external rewards or consequences. This can include financial incentives, recognition, or other tangible rewards. Work and achievement. Dopamine release is observed when individuals achieve goals, complete tasks, or receive positive feedback. This reinforces the connection between effort, accomplishment, and the pleasurable experience associated with success. 6. Dopamine dysregulation and motivational disorders. Addiction. Conditions such as addiction are linked to dysregulation of the dopamine system. Substance abuse or behavioral addictions can hijack the brain's reward circuitry, leading to a prioritization of the addictive substance or behavior over other goals. Motivational disorders. Conditions like depression, characterized by reduced motivation, are associated with alterations in dopamine signaling. Understanding these mechanisms is crucial for developing therapeutic interventions. 7. Individual differences in dopamine sensitivity. Reward sensitivity. Individuals vary in their sensitivity to dopamine, influencing their responsiveness to rewards and motivation levels. Some may be more naturally predisposed to seek out novel or rewarding experiences. Genetic and environmental factors. Both genetic and environmental factors contribute to individual differences in dopamine sensitivity. Genetics, early life experiences, and environmental stimuli all shape the brain's reward system. 8. Strategies to boost dopamine and motivation. Set achievable goals. Breaking larger goals into smaller, achievable tasks can lead to a steady release of dopamine, reinforcing motivation with each accomplishment. Stay engaged and challenged. Engaging in activities that challenge and stimulate the mind promotes dopamine release. Learning new skills or taking on challenging projects can boost motivation. Regular exercise. Physical activity is linked to increased dopamine release. Regular exercise has been shown to positively impact mood and motivation. 9. Conclusion. Dopamine's motivational symphony. Dopamine, the conductor of the brain's reward orchestra, weaves a symphony of motivation and goal pursuit. From the anticipation of rewards to the satisfaction of achievement, dopamine's influence is pervasive in shaping human behavior. Understanding this connection offers insights into motivation, reward-based learning, and the complexities of disorders where these systems may go awry.